Well, joining us now is Femi Adegoluza, co-founder at BChain Africa. Hello, Femi.
Hi, Ladi. How are you? It's been a while.
I'm doing good. Yeah, it's been a while and great to see you again. So, Femi, I hear that the holders of Trump's Memecoin have a pass to have dinner, with the president. And I'm wondering, are you attending that dinner?
I'm currently in Nigeria. I'm not attending any dinner, but I think it's actually very good utility for the holders of the Trump meme coin, which is actually a politically classified meme coin for the industry. And yeah, so if there's a surge, of course, it's expected because people are going to buy more, so they can actually get access. That's how it is.
So I'm guessing because most of the time, influential figures, they kind of release some of these meme coins, that are supposed to be something from them, and they don't really do well, most of the time. Is President Trump's meme coin is it the game changer?
Well, Trump is literally the most powerful leader in the world politically, and for a lot of influencers, for me, I would say this clearly: I'm not a fan of meme coins without utility because they end up sucking liquidity from the entire crypto space, and it doesn't really make a lot of sense because a lot of people get hurt along the line, and they have a very bad narrative around what crypto should be, and the other solutions that crypto provides globally in terms of remittances and stable coins like CNGN, for example, makes it very, very hard. So sometimes the meme coin frenzy can be a little bit overemphasized. So, but for Trump, I think adding that utility and having people to have that access to his, exclusive dinner makes it, very, very viable. That's the reason why Bitcoin has so much value. And that's because of the, utilities behind Bitcoin and also Ethereum as well. So yeah, for real, the influencers who are creating meme coins should actually put a stop to it. If they have no good plans for a long-term, holder, I think that's actually not going to help the crypto space in any way possible at all. Thank you.
Right, and I'm wondering if Melania Trump's meme coin might have a say in any of this, but we'll definitely find out. Well, how are you seeing price action so far in the market?
Well, you see, I think the charts look very bullish. To be very honest, Laddie, this is actually one of the most unpredictable markets in the entire crypto history because a lot of people were expecting, January when Trump came in, like the market is going to really become very bullish, and the bull run is going to be here, and a lot of people are going to make a lot of money. And it turned out to be different. I think that the launch of the Trump meme coin actually was a major factor to that. Then February came, became very bullish in March. It looks like the market crashed so bad from 110K, which was the all-time high, to about 70 something thousand dollars. So I think the charts look bullish. In the next couple of hours, we might cross another all-time high again. It might be hours, it might be weeks, it might be days. But looking at the trend, I think in the next couple of weeks, in the month of June, July, we might have some very bullish trends. And I see Bitcoin crossing over 130K, 140K upwards. I don't want to be too bullish because I think any kind of like tariff war might just come again and make the market look like the experts don't know how to predict what they're predicting. But yeah, I think the charts look bullish, to be honest, and yeah, I see a lot more of pumps coming up in the next few days and weeks. Going into the month of July.
Right. It seems it's not wise to get too comfortable in most of that bullish euphoria because you could just get one word there and everything just changed. Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Thank you so much, Femi Adegulu. It was great having you today.
Thank you very much. All right.